barking starts, it's hard to
stop it.
And it gets. He doesn't really care how high. He just wants. And if I'm out here working, he's like, tell me something to do, tell me something to do, something, and he'll just sort of randomly jump something because he can't stand it anymore. Great. You don't want to do it? Okay.